We'll discuss people, money, and land today. GPT and suppliers are emerging and will improve efficiency. Understanding these aspects will give us a broad understanding of the economy. Money efficiency is important at the company level, with a fast capital turnover rate being ideal. Some companies take up to a year to make a profit, while our well-managed shiqiang suppliers collect cash from customers, adding to our capital value. 2 months later, we will pay the customer and then pay our supplier. The turnover can be completed once a month at most, and its efficiency is 6 times. If a person has 1 billion to do this business, it will be successful. If he is efficient, then I can probably do this business with 200 million. If your income can be doubled, our company will purchase in this way. All large companies are in the purchasing model. Shiqiang funds desperately collect money from large suppliers and customers here. In the end, it becomes stronger and stronger, and the supply chain above is suppressed lower and lower. This is the efficiency of money. Now let's talk about the efficiency of people. To improve efficiency, education level needs to be improved. Studying in a formal institution can increase annual income and efficiency